In the heart of the vast and mystical enchanted forest, where towering trees touched the sky and magical creatures roamed freely, there lived a community of diverse animals. Among them were the gentle giants, Eleazar the elephant, and Eliana the elephantess. They were known for their strength, wisdom, and compassion. One sunny morning, as Eleazar and Eliana strolled through the forest, they heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, they discovered a tiny creature caught in a thorny trap. It was Aemon, a small but spirited mouse, struggling to free himself. Eleazar and Eliana approached Aemon with care, their massive forms casting a protective shadow over him. With their trunks and tusks, they delicately dismantled the thorny trap, setting Aemon free. Grateful and amazed by the elephant's kindness, Aemon looked up with his sparkling eyes and said, "Thank you for saving me. My name is Aemon, and I'm forever in your debt." Eleazar and Eliana smiled, their hearts warmed by the newfound friendship. Little did they know, this encounter would mark the beginning of a remarkable journey that would teach them the true strength of unity. News of Eleazar and Eliana's heroic deeds spread throughout the enchanted forest, reaching the ears of the wise council of the forest. Comprising animals of all shapes and sizes, the council gathered to discuss matters of great importance. Observing the unity between the mouse and the elephants, the council recognized the potential strength that lay in diversity and collaboration. They decided to organize a grand unity festival, inviting all the animals to showcase their unique abilities and learn from one another. Excitement buzzed through the enchanted forest as animals from every corner prepared for the grand unity festival. Eleazar and Eliana, now revered as symbols of unity, played a pivotal role in organizing the event. As they worked together, they discovered that each animal possessed distinct talents that, when combined, created a harmonious symphony of abilities. The once disparate animals now shared a common goal: to celebrate their differences and showcase the strength of unity. The day of the Grand Unity Festival arrived, and the enchanted forest was alive with vibrant colors, melodious sounds, and a contagious spirit of togetherness. Eleazar and Eliana stood at the heart of the festival, watching proudly as animals of all kinds showcased their talents. The air was filled with laughter, music, and the collective energy of unity. The once divided community now stood together, realizing that the key to their strength lay in embracing and respecting each other's differences. Amidst the festivities, a shadow fell upon the enchanted forest. A formidable enemy, a pack of ferocious wolves, threatened to disrupt the unity that had been forged. The Council of the Forest, with Eleazar, Eliana, and Aemon at its forefront, called an emergency meeting. Understanding the gravity of the situation, the animals put aside their differences and devised a plan to confront the common threat. Each species brought its unique skills to the table, creating a strategy that utilized the strength of the entire community. As the wolves approached, the animals stood united, ready to defend their home. Eleazar and Eliana formed the front line, their massive bodies a formidable barrier. Aemon, agile and quick-witted, darted between the legs of the wolves, distracting them and creating openings for the other animals to strike. The birds soared through the air, attacking from above, while the swift-footed creatures outmaneuvered the wolves on the ground. It was a breathtaking display of unity and cooperation, showcasing the strength that lies in diversity. The battle raged on, but the animals, bound by their newfound unity, emerged victorious. The wolves retreated, leaving the enchanted forest unscathed. Exhausted but triumphant, the animals gathered to celebrate their collective strength. As the enchanted forest returned to its peaceful state, Eleazar, Eliana, and Aemon reflected on the profound lesson they had learned. Unity, they realized, was not just about working together in times of crisis but about embracing diversity, celebrating differences, and understanding that true strength lies in the bonds that connect us. The Grand Unity Festival became an annual tradition in the Enchanted Forest, a testament to the enduring power of diversity and collaboration. Eleazar, Eliana, and Amen, now known as the Triumphant Trio, continued to inspire generations with their story. The Enchanted Forest, once divided, thrived as a beacon of unity, proving that even the smallest mouse and the mightiest elephants, when bound by friendship and respect, could overcome any challenge. The moral of story is that true strength is found in unity and diversity. The story teaches us that by embracing and respecting our differences, we can overcome challenges and achieve remarkable feats. Just as the mouse, Eleazar, and Eliana work together to confront a common threat, the tale underscores the importance of collaboration, understanding, and unity in the face of adversity. It reminds us that when individuals come together, combining their unique strengths and talents, they can create a powerful force that transcends the sum of its parts. The Enchanted Forest's transformation into a harmonious community symbolizes the enduring lesson that unity is not just a choice in challenging times but a source of strength that brings about lasting positive change.